Hello everyone. Today I wanted to go over this bag that I've been putting together. I put a lot of thought to it, so I just kind of wanted to share everybody what's inside of it. Some people call it a bug out bag, some people call it a get home bag, but it's just something, in case, God forbid anything happens and I need to survive for a couple days to get home. So I'll just quickly go through all the little pieces in here. I'll just start from the top and then zip it up. Well, first and foremost, this is a Maxpedition bag. I think this is either the chubby or the fatty. I'll have all the links in the description part of this video. First, I'll go for this notebook here, just kind of all weatherproof notebook. Jot stuff down, notes, etc. If you need to leave somebody a note or something, that's good to have. I know you can always add content into your or notes to your cell phone. However, just in case. So now opening up the bag. So here's the content in here. So I'll just kind of go through each piece and explain why I use it, etc. First and foremost, I have this Zippo lighter. This is not the standard Zippo lighter. This is the one, the yellow fire, where it actually uses butane. I chose this one because the other standard one with the lighter fluid tends to evaporate really fast, and my goal is not to use all this content in this pouch frequently. However, so I needed fire to make sure that that whenever I need it, it's there. Another thing too, I'm just going to keep cash. Here's just like $40. I'll probably put maybe 50, but you want to put smaller bills in here, because the thing is, like, say for example, if something happens and you go somewhere and you have like a $50 bill, and say they don't have change and you really need that item, now you have to give up this entire $50 bill, to get the item that you really need. So I just figured, it's better to have pieces of either 5s or 10s, and then that way if you have to give somebody like a 10 or a 5 for an item that you really need, that you're not losing too much money. So of course keep cash. Here's a razor blade. This is from, what is this company? Screw Pop or something, if you can see here clearly. So it's pretty cool. It has a magnet, so the way you use this is you lift this little lever up here and you just kind of push. Let's see if I can do it. Push this, push the razor through, put the edge there, and see there's a magnet right here. So that way, when you close it here, or when you open this little lever here, it just kind of slides back. Close it. All right. So you always need a razor. Let's see what else we have. Have this just this little pliers, vice grip, etc. Really small, very lightweight, just in case you need to screw some things. Here I have some safety pins and tweezers. I don't know if you can see it clearly. You always need tweezers, but safety pins, you never know what you need. Also another tool. Pretty small, lightweight. This is from, not for sure what this alloy. Yeah, I'm not for sure what this is, which company this is, but this is another lightweight tool that you can use. Very handy. Here I have a pen from Gerber. This is an actual pen. However, it has this little point here, such that in case you need to break the glass of a window, etc. So yeah, so this is a pen from Gerber. Here's the model number, if you can see it here. So let's see what I have in here. So here I have a compass, and this is right here is like a magnifying glass here. Another way to kind of start a fire, which is pretty cool. The compass, I think, it's just a standard compass from, what is that company? I have so much stuff I lose track. Not for sure. I forgot what this company is. However, the description will be in The link will be in the description below. If you need any medications, let me just take this off here. If you need any medications, I have this this kind of waterproof sealed tube to put medication in. Let's see, what else do we have here? Let me set this to the side here. Oh, a spork. This is another cool spork. Or sorry, not another one, but it's from TOAKS, TOAKS. So they have this little neat feature here. So you have this, it's foldable, and you see these little nudges that protrudes out. So when you close it here, if you push this thing here, push this little bracket closer, it makes it where it kind of stays intact, and then you unloosen it, and then you fold it back. I think that's all I have in this portion here. So let me put this stuff up here. I have I think this is called the Gerber Center. I like this tool because I like the feature of just having, you know, like a center screw driving tool. I'm sure you can find a lot of videos on this, so I won't go over too much details, but you know, this is a good multi-tool that I like to use, which is the Gerber Center something, I can't remember. Another piece I have is a headlamp. For me personally, I would choose a headlamp over a flashlight any day. If you really think about it, you know, if you're out and you need a light, evening, daytime, whatever, a lot of times when you need a light, you need your hands. For me, I went with Wurkkos. They had everything that I needed in this, and plus it's a lot cheaper than like Phoenix, etc. It even has a moonlight mode in here, you know, in case you just need to do some reading. But I like to have my hands free when I need a light, so therefore I will always use a headlamp instead of a actual flashlight. Here, there's more tools. Can I get it out? Yeah. Here, there's just more tools for the Gerber, for the center line. So these are extra pieces that you can use. Here I have. This is a neat little tool where it's a charger adapter that uses USB-A, C, micro USB, and the Apple Lightning port. So you have two USB-Cs here. Right, USB-C, USB-C. And this cool thing is both Apple and micro. I can't see if you can see the hole in here, but it can also do micro, and then just a normal USB. And then this right here is a little magnet here. And just kind of close it up here, just like that. So let me put this back. Also, just a regular knife. This is a knife I have for a long time. This is Benchmade HK. I love HK firearms. Yeah, I've had this for a while. Standard knife. I love fire. You never want to, you know, you always want means to fire, you know, if you ever need it. So I have this Explorer. This is the actual plasma. So, you know, you just put tinder or, you know, a piece of paper, start a fire easily. This is rechargeable. So for me, if I need to fire, I'll go to this first because it is rechargeable. If this doesn't work, then I'll go to some fuel-based fire. And then also here, I have a knife sharpener. You know, it has both coarse and fine. And then for any serrations for the knife sharpener, you have, you know, this here to kind of sharpen your serrated edges. All right, what else? Okay, so now in this pouch here, I have some additional stuff. Let me just move some of this stuff to the side. And I'll just take everything out and move the bag to the side. Alright, cool. Alright, so here I just have a lot of Band-Aids, you know, stuff that you need for, you know, medical purposes. You know, just to each is their own on this part here. Just kind of picked stuff out of other, you know, aid kits, etc. I have a mirror, you know, like a signal mirror. zip ties. You need zip ties, of course. And this is another cool thing, is I have this survival kit fishing compact, or this survival fishing kit. It's a compact version that, you know, has all your needles, has your weights, has some fishing lines, etc. Just in case, you know, there's a lake by that you're hungry, you need to go fishing, you have the fire to make a fire to cook the fish, etc. Have a whistle, of course, in case, you know, you need to call any attention, etc. Another way to spark fire, just in case all the other fire methods doesn't work. So this is just just a rod that, you know, you kind of I forgot what this is called. I'm so bad with names, but you know what it is. And then also I just have kind of tinder, just in case wherever I'm at, you know, I can't find any tinder to get a light started. So yeah, so this is pretty much all I have. I think it's pretty comprehensive. I'm pretty happy with everything. The weight, you know, it's some weight to it. However, you know, I like it all in one bag because I do like to change backpacks a lot. You know, just like how women love purses, I love backpacks. So, you know, if I need to swap from one backpack or another, all I have to do is just grab this one bag and I should be good to go. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I would try to have all the links below. Some of the stuff is maybe a little bit older and may not have a link, but I'll try to write a description. Oh, also one more thing too. I have this kind of the sleeping bag here, this TAC Beefy 2.0, really thin. It won't go into the bag, so therefore I didn't really cover it per se. However, I probably still kind of attach it to the MOLLE or whatever, so when I do grab the bag, it also grabs this. But, you know, this is, you know, material that kind of keeps you warm, etc. So, that's it. Thank you. Bye.